Hi guys, welcome to Shiva's Perseverance Software Training Institute. So in this video, we'll look into a core topic in DevOps automation, which is all about CI/CD tools. All right. So in one of the another video, we have already discussed about what is CI/CD and how we can differentiate them with the unique features over there, right? So now let me highlight about some CI tools which basically helps us to build and test the code, and actually the deployment part will be taken care in CD part, right? So which is continuous deployment, right? Or we can also go with continuous delivery, correct? All right. So now I just want to highlight about a cloud-based CI tool, right? So if you see the last slide, it is all about the CI tools like Jenkins, Bamboo, GitLab, Octopus. So we have much more available in the market. So now I'm explaining about the tool which is being developed by Azure, so which is Azure Pipelines. All right. So basically, see, Azure Pipelines is a completely cloud-based solution which is uh, developed and powered by Microsoft that automatically builds, tests the code, and not only that, it also helps us to deploy the required versions of the code to the required environments. All right. So meaning of that is Azure Pipelines is a cloud-based solution which basically offers both CI and CD. All right. So we can focus both on building, testing the code as well as deploying the software to the required environment, and so that the customers can utilize it. I mean, it differs, right? So we have different environments like dev, test, pre-prod, prod, etc., like that, right? So anywhere, so it might be any target. So Azure Pipelines combines both the CI and CD capabilities, which helps us to actually build, test, and deliver the code to any destination. All right. Now, talking the benefits of Azure Pipelines. So we'll not basically, worry about the installation or configuration as such for working with Azure Pipelines, because it is readily available on the ADO console, so which is Azure DevOps portal, right? I'll show that as well. So the benefits of this is, so we have capabilities of both CI and CD combined here, so we can utilize Azure Pipelines for CI operations as well as CD operations. So it is a single one-stop solution for enabling the complete end-to-end software development and delivery automations. And it supports language, it supports for different languages, like different projects can be actually enabled with the CI/CD automations. So it has a wide range of support for that, and we can deploy application to multiple environments. So I have just highlighted few features which are crucial, uh, which are dominant. So we have many other as such. So actually on CI/CD, when we see Azure Pipelines helps us to create the CI solutions using build pipelines and CD solutions using release pipelines. So this is the category. And now for now, I just want to highlight about showing you where we can basically work with that. So once you log into the Azure portal, right? So from here, you should navigate to Azure DevOps organization. All right. So once you click it, you will be able to go there, and then you can click on My Azure DevOps Organizations. All right. So here you can able to find the different organizations which were created. So what are organizations? Everything is set. See, organization is the it's kind of the parent within which we actually manage projects which are exact applications. All right, so let me go to one of the organization, maybe practice one. All right, so here once we select this, right, we'd be able to see. All right, it's asking for the, let me, okay, I'm in this one, right? One second, I should log in to the account. So it's not this user, it is Krishna Prasad. All right, so I need to click on practice one here. Let's click. So it should take me to the other ways of signing. Not this. So my account. Let me check it out. All right. Okay. Okay. So just open this in new tab, because see, I have two accounts currently here. It is taking this account. I don't want this now. All right. So it is available in this ID. Okay. All right. So let us check that. All right. So let's click on this project, and see, it is directly taking in. Let's click on to other. So no, this is not the account I'm looking for. So this is not the account. It is not the giving the option to select also. All right, let's do one thing. Let's, for now, let's click again here. See, it is navigating to another account, right? See, it's navigating to another email, but this is another email here. All right, so let's do one thing. So let's log into the portal for now in private. Let's test this here. All right, so portal dot yeah, it's portal.azure.com is the portal. So let me log into this one. So it is and I need to give the password for it. Okay, so it is, all right, fine. So let me click on yes. Okay, it is taking me to the required page. All right, it is asking some sign in request. Okay, one second. Approval. So we need to approve the sign in now. So I hope you guys know about this. So we'll be, while signing up for Microsoft, so we'll be, basically installing an app which is authenticator, within which we need to confirm everything as such for security reasons. All right, okay, fine. Now let's search for DevOps organization. It is already available here. You can go and select right away. Then my Azure DevOps organizations. Okay, all right, then select any, one second, I think I need to go with, yeah, practice is fine. Okay, if you see the portal, when you see here, it is portal.azure.com, which is Azure administrative portal. So from here, if I navigate to Azure DevOps organization, if you see the web, that URL available, right, it is showcasing as dev.azure.com. So these two are two different links actually. All right, so keep that in mind. So this is ADO now, Azure DevOps console. All right, so here if you see in the left pane, you will be able to see something called as pipelines, and you see here we can create the pipelines. So if you select, so yeah, these are the pipelines, right? So if you see here, we have something like pipelines and something like releases. So these are actually our build pipelines, and these are actually our release pipelines. So meaning of that is, to the point, this is CI and this is CD. So here we can automate CI operations, and here we can automate CD operations. All right, so I'll create one more video in future for enabling a complete CI/CD pipeline on Azure pipelines. All right. All right, great. Thank you so much for your time. Bye bye.